along the fence. Down, there's like 3 of them. I downed one of them, so there's 2 up. There's several, man. Okay, I'm gonna give him the fucking bomb. You ready? Here we go. Bunker buster.
Gas is inbound. Mark my new safe zone.
Oh,
Take much more.
Is there one more?
yeah, we got
Hell
it.
yeah! Fucking yeah!
Well, even though I was down, I was still taking
Alright,
it. Yeah,
man.
yeah. I was still
Totally
taking
can.
it. Come on.
Let's get some Jaeger bombers.
Yeah. Dude,
I got
I
my
was still taking it.
Pacifico beer. That fucking rock, see?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Raindrop, bitch. Come on. Let's go, bitch. Come on.
Dude, I learned that
Chocolate
shit
Bear on
from my
YouTube.
favorite gamer streamer.
Chocolate Bear on YouTube.
Whatever his name is. Fucking.
Superman #1 on Twitch.
I just don't play the regular battle royale. I'm just not
It's
that
the
good.
best. Hey, it's the best one.
I don't
It's
like
the best
getting
one.
shot out of the fucking sky.
It's the best one, baby.
I have
Come
a
on.
lot of fun on this game right here,
Yeah.
casuals, you know?
Yeah,
And
it's
at
the
the
best
end,
one.
we beat a real team anyway, so fuck it.
Mm-hmm.